Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use the how to okay. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the difference between Burp Suite Community Edition and the Professional Edition. Okay, so let me start my Professional Edition. That side by side, you can check the difference between them. So in the Professional Edition, there no option is every option is working. The temporary project, you can create a project, name the project, and where to save that with the name, and you can open the existing, like you have made a project and you want to open that project in the next day, you can open that. Some of the companies provide their Burp Suite project, like they are testing something and they provide you project, or your friend is testing on the something and he want to provide you project, then you can check this. You have to install the Burp Suite for that. In the community edition, you don't have these options working. You can only check the temporary project. The temporary project means if you have started a project, it will only remain until you close the Burp Suite edition. After closing the Burp Suite, everything will be clear. Okay, so we continue with a temporary project. Next, let's get to next screen. Okay, in the next screen, you can see that every option is working fine. No, and only this option is not working because we didn't get that from the previous one. Okay, you can disable the extensions, like you don't want to install the, you are in a hurry and just want a fast scan something or fuzzing. You can disable your extensions, or you want to save your system hardware, so you can disable your extensions and install that clearly. Okay, and then we are starting this. Okay, so our community edition and professional edition is started successfully. So by this, let me wait, wait. Okay, so I think you can check these things. uh, if you're having some problem, you can get that on yourself. So first of all, click on the first option. You can see the infiltration is working fine. In the Pro Edition, infiltration is working. Click Bandit or Collaborator Client, where the Collaborator Client and the infiltration is not working, and the search option is also not working in the Community Edition. Search option is very helpful in finding the things in response and request headers. If you like, if you want to check the course and core course min if you want to check the core misconfiguration, you have to search the origin in the request, or allow allow conditions in the response. You can check using the search only, but in the community edition, you have to check that manually. Okay, in the next, the project options are working fine. In the community edition, the project options are not working properly. Okay, these things are working fine as of now. You can check these things. Okay, let me start this. Okay, you can see the live audit proxy is the audit checks, but in the community edition, there's no live audit. Okay, everything is same, but something is different. But the issue tab is there. Issue tab was also there. I cut that now. You can change these things from here. Okay, new scan, or only new scan is also not working, only the new live scan is working here. In the target field, okay, in the target field, like it's failed to start proxy because this proxy started first, so this is working and this stops working. Don't worry, we are not testing anything, so this is not a problem. Anything tell you things you can do there. Yeah, like I want to show you something. There's a thing. Okay, like these many options here, but in the communication, open the repeater tab. Only these options. Scan options is not working, or you can see the engagement tools. You want to generate a CSRF proxy POC, then you can't. In the community edition, you have to do this manually. Okay, so if you want to check more, then you can check the documentation, or you can check manually. But these are the main options I showed you in this video. Thank you very much.